Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the DJI Neo Combo Bundle drone that comes with the charging hub. So as many of you know, I like drones, have my license, and have another one, but I want to kind of get this more compact one to be able to do some quick shots, stuff like that, you know, by just carrying this in a simple little bag or backpack or something. And then it does come with a charging hub, so that's why I really wanted this combo bundle. So I'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you. All right, got the box open real quick before I show you some of this other stuff, but here's what's in the box. You got the drone, the Neo itself, the 3 flight batteries, propeller guard, a charging hub, spare propellers, a screwdriver, type C USB cable, and then manuals. All right, so it looks like this is probably your spare parts and manuals in here. This box looks like here's your quick start guide and some other stuff. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Here's your quick start guide real quick. You want to read through that before you get going. You know, it just unfolds. And then here's your accessory guide, so make sure you read through that too. Looks like this, let's see what this is. This might be just a little sticker or something. Yep, this is just like a little decal pack that you can use to put on your, looks like might actually go on the drone, or you can put it on other things. So pretty cool, they include that in there. And then got your charging hub here. So here's your charging hub for 3 batteries. There's 2, looks like one's probably in the drone too. And then there's where your cable plugs into your power button to check the charge too. And then last, you've got the compact drone with the propeller guards on it too. So it is pretty compact, as you can see it in my hands there. Looks like here's where your USB-C cable goes into. This is your battery right here that comes undone. There's your bottom sensors, your gimbal cover right there, so you can get that off. So there it is off. Got it back on. I did kind of put the top part in first, then kind of push down the bottom to get it back on. This looks like this might be your button to change your flight modes. And then it's already got the propeller guards on here, as you can see. So that's pretty nice. And obviously there's your propellers right there. There's the bottom again, the top. That's probably your power button, and you want to take this sticker off before you fly it the first time too. So you just push down on this, kind of give a little bit of force, and then pull back on that little stub right there, and then it slides out and detaches. So and then you just slide it back in, connects there. Make sure you snap it in so you don't lose it in flight and it comes crashing down. But that's pretty much it. Here's some of your other accessories. So you've got your screwdriver right there. Here's your USB-C cable. It's got USB-C on both ends, so you will need a USB-C connector to plug it into an outlet. And then right here, you've got your spare propellers. So, and they are, one does have yellow, one does have blue. So make sure you follow your instructions to install them on the right areas of the drone, the props on the right area of the drone, so it flies properly. So but that's pretty much it.